Hey everyone! Tired of blurry vision or eye strain after long hours in front of screens? Today, we're talking about 3 easy ways to improve your eyesight in less than 2 weeks. Nowadays, you live in the world of developed technologies. This means that you spend your life regularly staring at tiny or not so tiny letters and images on your cell phone screen, computer screen, and TV screen. Putting it lightly, this doesn't improve your eyesight. And if we are being completely blunt, your eyes strain too much, they get tired too quickly, and your eyesight drops. Poor eyesight, in turn, creates a whole bunch of different problems, from choosing eyeglasses and contact lenses to saving money for an expensive surgery. That's why it's so important to care about your vision, using some natural ways to improve it. In this video, you'll get to know about some of them. What's more, you'll find an amazing bonus telling you how to change the color of your eyes. Number 1. Feed your eyes properly. Just like any other part of your body, your eyes need specific vitamins and microelements to function properly. Diets rich in vegetables and fruit, and low in fatty foods and sugar that your eyes demand is actually beneficial for your whole body. Such berries as grapes, goji, and blueberries have effective anti-inflammatory properties and also help to improve your vision. Dark leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes, carrots, and pumpkin contain beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein protect your eyes from being damaged by the sun. Strawberries, eggs, salmon, mackerel, oranges, and such nuts as almonds provide you with vitamins A, C, and E. For example, vitamin A helps you to improve your night vision and prevents night blindness, and vitamin C slows down the development of cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin E is beneficial for those people who have early signs of macular degeneration that is connected with age. As for crab, turkey, and oysters, they contain zinc and copper. Zinc helps to produce an eye-protecting pigment, melanin. Copper prevents the development of age-related macular degeneration. Both these vitamins and minerals are vital for good vision, as well as for disease protection. If you include in your diet onions, garlic, and caper, you will enrich your diet with lecithin, sulfur, and cysteine. This will prevent the lenses of your eyes from getting cataracts. Omega-3 fatty acids in the amount of 1,000 milligrams per day will help you to avoid dry eyes and macular degeneration. That's why mackerel, herring, tuna, salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds should be frequent ingredients in your diet. If you can't get any seafood, buying fish oil supplements will be a good alternative. Number 2. Make some lifestyle changes. First of all, adjust the lighting you have in your room or in the office. For one, fluorescent lighting isn't good for your eyes. It not only gives off wrong frequencies of color, but also emits radiation. This makes you feel drowsy. Also, when you work or study, keep a shaded lamp on the desk. It should be located in front of you. The light should be pointed at your work, while the shade will protect your eyes. Improve the quality of the air in your office and at home. First and foremost, get an air humidifier. The thing is that the reason you have dry eyes is a lack of moisture and lubrication on their surface. This can lead to a mild irritation, but also turn out as bad as a serious inflammation of the eye tissues. That's why a device that will moisturize the air in your home or at the workplace is a must. Also, check the airflow of your thermostat. If it's too strong, your eyes may suffer as well. The same goes for a vent. If your desk stays just next to it, try to replace it to another area. Going outside when you know that the air quality is poor or pollen count is high is also a bad idea. Pet dander is a potent eye irritant. That's why you should clean the furniture in your house and vacuum as often as possible. If you have pets, quit smoking. This habit not only harms your lungs, but also causes such health problems connected with eyesight as macular degeneration, optic nerve damage, and cataracts. What is more, smoking can lead to diabetes, and this condition in turn will damage your eyes. Control your weight. First of all, a good diet will fill your body with vitamins and nutrients beneficial for your eyes. Secondly, following a balanced diet, you'll avoid diabetes, which can ultimately lead to blindness. Always wear sunglasses when you go outside. The reason isn't even sunlight that is too bright. UV radiation coming from the sun amplifies your risks of macular degeneration and cataracts. Invest in a pair of sunglasses with 99 or 100% protection from UV rays and put them on whenever you're outside in the sun. Try to use your computer as little as possible. Of course, it's easier said than done if your work is tightly connected to this device. Even so, There are some ways to reduce the negative impact of staring at the computer screen all day long. Implement a 20-20-20 rule to your working routine. According to this rule, you should look at something situated 20 feet away from you for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. Don't forget to blink. This way you'll produce tears. They're necessary to refresh and moisten your eyes. Make the font size larger and the screen brighter and with more contrast. This will help you to read and browse easier. Your monitor should be directly in front of you. Its screen is to be located a bit below your eye level. Number 3. Do special exercises to train your eyes. Eye massage. It's a good preparation before you start doing eye exercises. Wash your hands. Close your eyes and apply light, circular movements, massaging them for a minute or two. This will help to stimulate your eyes properly. Pencil push-ups. Take a pencil and draw a number, a letter, or just a dot on its side. Now focus on the sign you've drawn and move the pencil a bit away from your eyes. You shouldn't lose concentration. Then move it back towards your eyes. Stop as soon as the pencil starts to double. Close your eyes or look away for a couple of seconds. After that, look back at your pencil. You shouldn't see double. Move your hand with the pencil in it away from your face again. Repeat this action for several minutes. This exercise is even reported to correct crossed eyes and double vision. Near and far focusing exercise. This exercise will significantly strengthen your eye muscles. You can do this exercise in a sitting or standing position. It doesn't matter. Choose an object 10 to 20 feet away from you and focus on it. Stay like this for 10 to 15 seconds. Then refocus your eyes on your thumb that is 10 inches away from your face. Stay concentrated for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Draw figure 8s with your eyes. This exercise will help you to control the movements of your eyes better. Just imagine that there's a big 8 on the floor in front of you. Trace its contours with your eyes. Don't hurry. Be slow and concentrated. First of all, trace it one way, then the other. Repeat this exercise for a couple of minutes. Directional exercises. You can do this exercise standing or sitting upright. Look to the right without turning your head, then look left. Focus. Move your eyes from one side to the other 5 times. Rest a bit. Repeat this action 2 times. Now look down. Your head shouldn't move. Look up. Focus. Repeat this set 3 times. After you finish exercising your eyes, palm them lightly. This is a necessary procedure to relax them after the training. Now here's our bonus products that can make your eyes change their color. Some people think that it's possible to lighten the color of your eyes with the help of such products as honey, spinach, ginger, chamomile tea, and so on. Presumably, your eyes will get brighter in just 2 weeks. Unfortunately, there are no scientific facts to support these claims, and everything is based on people's experiences. Have you ever tried this method? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe to stay on the healthcare one.